They say space is stranger than fiction. But what if I told you that some of the most unbelievable things about the universe aren't science fiction at all? They're confirmed facts by NASA. From planets that rain glass sideways, to stars that sing in frequencies we can't hear, to the mind-bending reality that time itself flows differently depending on where you stand in space. These are 10 space facts that sound impossible, but NASA confirms they are real. Let's begin our journey across the cosmos. In space, no one can hear you scream. That famous movie tagline is technically true, because sound waves need air or water to travel. But here's the twist. NASA has recorded eerie sounds coming from the universe. The Perseus Galaxy Cluster, for example, was found to produce actual sound waves traveling through clouds of hot gas. When scientists at NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory converted the data into audible frequencies, we heard something haunting, a deep, ghostly cosmic hum more than 50 octaves below middle C. So yes, space is silent to our ears, but the universe is literally singing in waves we can't hear. About 63 light-years from Earth, there's a planet called HD 189733b. It's a gas giant slightly larger than Jupiter, and it's hellishly beautiful. Its sky glows a deep cobalt blue, not from oceans or air like Earth, but from silicate particles suspended in its atmosphere. According to NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, winds there reach over 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. And those winds carry shards of molten glass that literally rain sideways across the planet. Imagine standing there for even 1 second. You'd be sliced apart by blue glass carried on supersonic winds. In 2012, astronomers discovered a planet called 55 Cancri. It's about twice the size of Earth and orbits a star just 40 light-years away. Here's where it gets wild. Based on its density and composition, scientists from Yale University and NASA propose that this world could be largely composed of carbon and crystalline diamond. That means there could be more diamond on that one planet than in the entire history of Earth's mining combined. So yes, there might literally be a diamond planet glimmering in space right now. Albert Einstein predicted it, and NASA proved it. In 2010, experiments with ultra-precise atomic clocks, including those aboard GPS satellites, confirmed gravitational time dilation. Simply put, time ticks slower the closer you are to a massive object like a planet or a black hole. If you spent 1 year orbiting near a black hole, say like an interstellar, you might return to find that decades had passed on Earth. This isn't movie magic. It's physics confirmed by NASA and the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Yes, really. In 1995, astronomers using NASA's radio telescopes discovered a massive cloud of ethanol and methanol molecules near the constellation Aquila. It's called G34.3 plus 0.2, and it contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. But before you pack your rocket and a shot glass, that cloud also contains toxic compounds and spans nearly 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system. Still, it's proof that the building blocks of organic chemistry, even alcohol, exist far beyond Earth. After a massive star explodes in a supernova, its core collapses into an object so dense that atoms themselves are crushed. This is a neutron star, a city-sized sphere weighing more than the Sun. According to NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons on Earth. To put that into perspective, that's about the same as every car on our planet, combined, packed into a spoon. It's hard to even imagine, but the universe doesn't care about our imagination. When NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe mapped the cosmic background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, scientists noticed something strange. A vast region of the universe, hundreds of millions of light-years across, was significantly colder than expected. It's now called the CMB cold spot, and no one knows exactly why it exists. Some theories suggest it's caused by a supervoid, an enormous empty region with less matter. But even that doesn't fully explain its size or shape. NASA's data confirms it's real, and it might be one of the strangest cosmic fingerprints left over from the birth of the universe. It sounds ridiculous, but NASA astronauts returning from spacewalks have consistently reported the same thing. Their suits and tools have a distinct smell, like hot metal, burnt steak, or welding fumes. According to NASA chemist Tony Antonelli, the scent likely comes from high-energy vibrations of atomic oxygen that occur during re-entry and exposure to vacuum. So yes, space has a smell, and apparently, it's smoky and metallic. Discovered by NASA's Herschel Space Observatory, scientists found an enormous cloud of water vapor surrounding a quasar known as APM-08-279 plus 5255. This cosmic reservoir contains 140 trillion times the water in all of Earth's oceans. It's the largest and oldest body of water ever detected in the universe, formed when the cosmos was just 1.6 billion years old. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there floats an ocean bigger than imagination. When NASA analyzed data from the WMAP and Planck missions, they noticed something extraordinary. Entire clusters of galaxies appear to be moving toward a single region of space. This mysterious movement, called dark flow, defies current models of cosmology. Some physicists believe it could be caused by gravitational forces from beyond our observable universe, possibly from another region of space-time entirely. Though it's still debated, NASA's data confirms the motion is real, reminding us that the universe is far bigger and far stranger than we can possibly comprehend. From diamond planets to oceans in the stars, from singing galaxies to time itself bending under gravity, the universe keeps proving one thing: reality is often stranger than our wildest imagination. And every time NASA points a telescope a little farther into the dark, we discover another impossible truth waiting to be believed. So stay curious, stay amazed, and never stop looking up, because the next unbelievable fact might just change everything we thought we knew. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe to Vault Insights, where curiosity meets knowledge.